Oh wait, I don't have a shoot button. Hold on. Okay, I don't think I'm helping. Okay, like my brain can't figure this out. Hold on. Hello there, it's me, your boy, and I'm back with another sick portable monitor, except this one, it's foldable. That's right. So we're gonna get it unboxed, probably hook it up to the Nintendo Switch, and maybe watch a video or something on the PC. I don't know. 2 screens, they're 15.6 inches, 1920 by 1080 resolution, 60 hertz, 16.2 million colors. It's got built-in speakers, low blue light. It's got like an eye saver mode. It's got HDR and IPS panel. Tell you what, brother, IPS panels are great because my Chromebook is a TN panel, and if you look at it even slightly at like the wrong angle, can't even barely see the screen. It like turns the whole screen like all orange and contrasty, and that TN panel just give me a headache. I don't know what it is, but I need an IPS panel. That's like bare minimum. So all right, well, it comes with a carrying case. Let's go. Huh? Now this is nice. It's definitely not like waterproof or whatever, but it feels nice. It's kind of like leather, I guess, like car seat material. I don't know. And then you got a little front pocket, got a handle on both sides. Very nice. And then the inside, decent quality zipper. And it's all like soft in here, so it doesn't scratch up your screen. Wow. Dude, you know what it needs? They need to copy our Zopa, dude. Because our Zopa had like this sick stitched logo. Like you put a stitched Minix logo right there, dude. That'd be fire. We have the device. We have the user guide. Okay, we have Type-C to Type-C. Comes with little covers on either side. That's cool. Type-C to Type-A. Very nice. Type-C to Type-C. All pretty long. Huh? That's not a bad length. I just have such a pet peeve with people that make short cords. Like, who do you think you are? Seriously, pause the video and just leave if you're somebody like that. Because I don't even want that kind of energy in here. Hold on. No, I've had it. I'm exposing the whole industry. This is my battery charger for my camera that we just got. This is the cord that came with it. Brother, are you kidding me? What is this? This is an embarrassment. What am I supposed to do with this? So, good job, Minix, is the point I was trying to make there. Okay. Oh yeah, let's go! And it comes with a block, a Type-C block. Finally, the last cord. They're like, when are you gonna open the monitor? Isn't this a monitor video? No, this is a cable video. The monitor is just extra. This is all about the cables. Okay, and then we have a mini HDMI to regular HDMI. Huh? Also, respectably long. Let's take a look at it. Ooh, oh hello. What's going on back here? It looks like a little laptop. Doesn't it look like a little laptop? That's cute. Huh? Hey, that's pretty cool. Oh, weird. The hinge has like the electronics in it. That's scary. I think it has the speakers in it. Yeah. Speaker hole. And then there's one on the other side. Yes, 2 Type-Cs, 2 HDMI, mini HDMI slots. Got little rubber feet on the bottom so it doesn't slip on here. And on the little kickstand. And then on the other side, you got your controls, your little up and down button, and your power. This is a little more ergonomic in my opinion than the KYY like triple monitor. Like this is a little more, it like has less of a footprint. That thing I feel like you need like a whole freaking desk for, but at least this is like, you could almost use this in a car, I guess, maybe. How far can I open this? Does it go all the way? Am I breaking it? How far does it go? I think that's it. Triangle monitor, let's go. It's triangle monitor. Yes. Mario Kart time? Let's do it. All right, we got the Switch all set up. Also, I'm gonna get my desk set up. I got sent these. They just sent them to me. They're magnetic stay cables or whatever. So they just like stick them on the end and you just like have a magnet, like a metal part of your desk or whatever. We're just gonna throw these on. That way I can have like easy access on the tech desk. All right, so you just stick the little magnet thing, I guess, the little sticker. We're just gonna plug it into the Switch. Right here, no biggie. And now we have this. And whenever I wanna plug in my controller or whenever I wanna stow this away, I just stick it there and forget about it. And then whenever I want to grab it and I want to play a game and my controller's going to die, now I have it right here. Huh? That's pretty cool. All right, let's turn it on. Dude, it's been a while since I played Mario Kart. No cap. I'm going to win though. I will win for the video. Oh yeah, the 60 hertz is good. It's nice and smooth. You don't even need 60 for, I should have held that behind me. You don't even need 60 for Switch anyways. You only need 30. But I'll take. Alright, now I'm maximum protected. Dude, have you guys ever played Mario Kart online? That shit is no joke. They are cracked on there. Imagine getting gapped by baby Luigi. Embarrassing. Why'd I waste that banana? Where am I going? I can't see anything. Not the freaking blue shell, dude. That's criminal. It doesn't even matter. I'm still gonna win your trash. Admit it. Let's go. Like riding a bicycle, baby. Too easy. Boom. And now we're going to set it up on the PC. From what we can tell with the monitor, you need to have both devices connected on separate HDMIs. So it doesn't really like extend to two different displays on a single cord. With that being said, we don't have like a Type-C device to plug in. So we're just going to like plug the PlayStation in. So I'll just have like PlayStation on one screen and freaking YouTube or whatever on another. I don't know. If you want to use this as your main thing for your PC, then you got to make sure that you have two HDMI slots on the back of your GPU at least. Or I guess you could just get like an adapter, like they have DisplayPort to HDMI adapter cords. So, all right, so let's boot up the PlayStation, I guess. PC's already on. See if the PlayStation works. I haven't seen both monitors on at the same time yet. Hey, let's go, baby. All right, that's it. Where's the other one? I'm spoofing. I'm playing Marvel Rivals on the PC and PlayStation at the same time. I don't even care. Oh my god, that was quick. Wait, I gotta get this one started. Oh snap. I'm gonna win on both. I'm healing. I'm healing. I gotta pay attention to the other game too. I'm the healer. I can't let him down. This is also a quick match, not AI, so. Hey bro, get wrecked. You're trash. Okay, hold on. I gotta switch guys. Oh no, they're good. We have time. Okay. Oh boy. I can still be of help. Okay, like my brain can't figure this out. Hold on. Okay. I don't know if I'm helping you now. Oh wait, I don't have a shoot button. Hold on. Okay, I don't think I'm helping. Okay, I gotta help my team out. Hold on, wait a minute. Okay, wait, no. Okay, no, I'm coming back on the PlayStation first. Hold on. Okay, I can't let my team down. I'm healing. I got you, bro. I got you, dog. You're full. You're full. You're good, bro. Relax, dude. Okay, who is this Magic, bro? Okay, I feel like I'm really letting my Jeff team down for real. Like, if they're doing good, it's definitely not because of me. Oh my god, wait. Am I dying? Wait. No, stop. Oh my god, I can't focus on both. I don't know what to do. Okay. I think we're winning though, dude. We're doing good. We're doing good, bro. I'm just gonna ult. I don't even care. Get out of here, Thor. You Trish. You Trish. Wait, we're winning. Let's go, baby. It's Jeff time. Yeah, this team is just cooking. They don't even need me, bro. They saw that I wasn't doing anything and they locked in. Wait a minute. Okay, I got ulted. That's fine. Ah! Stay away! Dude, all I want is just to kill this Hulk. I just want to kill this Hulk, bro. Come on, dude. Let me kill the Hulk, bro. He just got even bigger? I thought he was going to turn into Brucey Boy, but then he just turned into Juicy Boy instead. Wait, I'm going. I wish I could do both at the same time, but like controller is just really hard to do with one hand. I don't know what to do. My teammates probably quit at this point. I have 2 kills. Hey, bro, quit pre-firing. That's not chill. Okay, we're good, bro. See, this is how you get Marvel Rivals maximum practice, minimum downtime, dude. There's no need for spectating times. There's no need for waiting. Who wants to get swallowed? Who wants it? Come get it. Come get it. I want you, dog. Come here, dog. I didn't even get anyone. Hey, get back. Ah! Did we win? Okay, hold on. Wait, we're making progress. I could win 2 games of Marvel Rivals at the same time. I'm getting walked up on. That's fine. That's kind of cringe. Did we win? Be honest. Did we win up there? We're doing good? Let's go! We won, baby! Yeah! Quick match. Get quick mapped in the quick match, fam. How's that game up there over, but this one's still going? Get clapped, fam. 2 Marvel Rival games, 1 on PS5, 1 on PC, both won at the same time. Who else has done that on YouTube? Smash like, subscribe. I'm just the best there is, you know, plain and simple. Every morning I wake up and I piss excellence. I was cooking with Cloak and Dagger, dude. I almost got MVP, bro. Look at that. Dude, the end I was just locked in, dude. Sick, bro. Don't even know which gameplay screen to edit. The editor doesn't even know what to do. They're obviously going to have to edit the bottom screen one because that one was better. Okay, bye. Anyways, SF15, foldable portable monitor. This thing's pretty cool. You can play Marvel Rivals on the PlayStation and the PC at the same time, win both games. The quality's good. The color was nice. HDR, 60 hertz. It all felt good, man. So I don't know what else to say besides buy it. Smash like, subscribe, and then buy it. $329 and then buy it. Also, I have discount code. Check discount code in description. I think $10 off, and then buy it. Subscribe. Also, new merch. Well, same merch. It's just like the tank top one, but you want to buy merch? NoodleNick.com. Check it out. Pretty cool, huh? You can get one that doesn't say Noodle Nick on it, obviously, if you don't want to be cringe, but you know. All right, I'll see you in the next tech review. Noodle Nick, chairman, out. It's not even a chair video, is it?